What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another amazing video. A brand which was not even popular in the Indian smartphone landscape suddenly made people go crazy with one of their device in the recent Flipkart Big Billion Sale.
LG, LG, LG.
See? You know what? It was a fantastic deal. A premium dual screen smartphone sold under rupees 20,000. Yes, I am talking about the LG G8X ThinQ, and it's finally here at the Tekshan studio. Dual screen smartphone with top of the line specs. In this video, let's unbox and take a quick look on what this one of a kind device has to offer. So you get to know all about it and don't miss it if it again comes back at this pricing. And as always, if you end up liking this video, make sure to smash the like button. That's all I request from you guys. I hope you'll do it. Alright. So yes, this is the retail box of the LG G8X. 6GB RAM, 128GB model. With this, you get an add-on box which has the dual screen case. We'll show you. LG seems to have put up a sticker here which says Festival Special Edition because they don't want you to think that you're going to get it always for under rupees 20,000. First, in the box you get to see a microfiber cleaning cloth. Then the device itself. We'll get to it in a bit. Then a small black box with a TPU case in case you want to just use the phone normally without the dual screen. Then a quick start guide with warranty info and a SIM tray ejector pin. Then a Type-C USB cable in white. Okay, no cribbing. Then a white box with in-ear headphones and additional ear tips. Nice. The in-ear headphones has an inline controller with mic. Good that this is in black. Huh? There is no charger adapter.
Haha, thanks to the fruit company. Now this is gonna become a trend soon with others as well.
Then coming to the add-on box, we have the dual screen case. It is a case with an additional display, which I'll talk about soon. You also get a charging port adapter for the case. That's about it. Alright, here is the LG G8X Festive Edition in all its glory. Build is good. Has a glass finish at the back. Definitely premium build. LG says it has military grade drop protection. Well, not sure about that, but feels good. Also, this device is IP68 waterproof. Nice. The 6.4-inch OLED full vision display is a delight to use. Especially multimedia content, poppy and crispy colors. You will love it. Has Gorilla Glass 5 protection as well. Alright, here is a 360 view on what is where. Front, you have the 6.4-inch OLED display, 32-megapixel front-facing camera in a small notch, earpiece and other sensors here. The earpiece also acts as a secondary speaker. Then the in-display fingerprint sensor here. To the back, you have the dual camera setup, 12-megapixel primary with OIS and 13-megapixel wide. Has LED flash as well. Bottom, you have the speaker grill, Type-C charging port, primary mic, and the 3.5mm high quality audio port. To the right, you have the power button and secondary mic. To the left, volume controls and a dedicated button for Google Assistant. To the top, you have the SIM tray which can take in 2 nano SIM cards and both support VoLTE, or you can pop in 1 SIM card and a microSD card for storage expansion. So that's about the 360 view on what is where. Okay, before we get in depth, let me tell you this. If you want to use it like a normal phone, yes you can. Just use the TPU case provided in the box and you can live happily forever. But if you want to flaunt and use the dual screen, then just go ahead and use the dual screen case that you got with this. Connect the phone to it and bam, just enable the dual screen option from the software and now you are in dual screen mode. Instead of going for a full foldable phone like the Samsung Fold, which is super expensive, here LG has taken a totally different path. Comparing them both is not right because both are different in separate ways. But you can definitely see foldable phones are the future and it will evolve for sure in many ways in days to come. Anyways, coming back, you can literally use any 2 apps at once. Just open the app and tap to swap to the other screen and boomba, it's there. Using the same app on both screens is also possible. Good thing to notice, there is a small 2.1-inch display at the front. So when you have the dual screen case on, it will show notifications, calls, etc. You can even pick up calls with the Google Assistant key. When in dual screen mode, this definitely feels big in the hand. Don't expect it to be a compact phone.
Rum-pa-pa-pum-pum-pum. Compact King is here. Exclusive Tekshan comparison time.
Well, if I have to say, the LG G8X ThinQ is approximately in the size of two 10 rupees brew instant coffee pack. Yup, crazy but true. Another exclusive TechShan comparison. The use case scenario for dual screen is a lot. For example, browse in one screen, take notes in other. Watch videos in one, type in another. Do video calls in one, take notes in other. Game in one screen and use game controller in other. LG has an all-new dedicated software gamepad with haptic feedback, which is just amazing. You can use it with some popular titles and take your gameplay to the next level. You can even create gamepads for games that don't support the gamepad. Isn't that cool? This is just wow, guys. Gamers, you will love this device. Frankly, the list goes on and on depending on personal experience. The hinge is super strong and literally allows you to bend the screen 360 degrees so you can use it the way you want to. And guess what? You don't need a mobile stand if you own this phone. Under the hood, the LG G8X is powered by the Snapdragon 855 octa-core chip with 6GB RAM, 128GB storage with Android 10. UI is LG's UX9. It is smooth, just throw anything at it, and in my initial use, I had no issues. On the UI, it does have some additional settings to control the dual screen setup. Sensors, you have it all, including NFC. Audio quality is just amazing with its dual speaker. The earpiece also acts as a speaker. And the audio with the high quality DAC is just wow. So overall, yeah, it sure is a powerful device, folks. Now coming to the camera, the dual 12 megapixel and 13 megapixel rear camera and the 32 megapixel selfie camera takes some impressive shots. You can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS and has OIS as well. Here are some samples. On the battery, you get a 4000 mAh battery with quick charge 4 support. But sadly, without the charger in the box, you got to buy one separately. Given the price, I won't crib much. Do note when you use the dual screen mode, you have to use this adapter that you get in the box that magnetically attaches so you can charge the phone. Make sure you don't lose it. If you do, then you have to take the phone out of the case every single time you want to charge. On the other hand, an icing on the cake is it has wireless charging support, so you can charge the device with any QI compatible wireless charger. Overall, battery should get you a days long with no issues. If you ask me, any nitty-gritty things that bothers me? Well, frankly again, given the price, nothing much. But if I have to say, the cover screen could have been a bit bigger with basic touch controls. Fingerprint sensor being in display, I have to open to unlock the device, and it's kinda slow, takes about a second. Apart from that, nothing major. So guys, that's the LG G8X dual screen smartphone. An interesting take on a foldable dual screen phone. It is an impressive and powerful device that was sold for a crazy pricing during the Flipkart sale. LG does have the potential to do good in the Indian smartphone space. Not sure why they are not doing it. Come on LG, it's time to start focusing and bring in some good devices to the market at affordable cost. Did you guys grab the G8X in the sale, or will you grab one if you get a chance in another sale? Let me know in the comments. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to respect my efforts. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then.